Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to upload Instagram stories with music in high definition in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your mobile phone, and on the lower right side click the profile icon, and on the upper right side click the three lines icon because we need to go to settings and privacy first. And under settings and privacy, scroll down and look for data usage and media quality. And under this cellular data settings, make sure this data saver is turned off if you are using cellular data to upload stories. And if you are using a Wi-Fi, make sure that the upload at highest quality is turned on. And now let's go back to home and create Instagram stories with music in high definition. Then select photo from your phone gallery and then click this icon. Then you'll be routed to a page where you can add location. You can search the music on the search bar above or click the music icon provided. Then select music that suits for your stories, or you can search on the search bar above the title of the music that you wanted. And just simply click it and it will be added to your stories. And by the way, you can select some part of the lyrics that you wanted to be added on your stories. You can add the photo album as well of the music. Once you're already done, click the arrow. Then you'll be routed to the share options. Select your story and then click done. And that's it. Your stories with music will be uploaded in high definition. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.